Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to save draft videos from TikTok to your mobile phone gallery. First of all, what you have to do, you have to open your TikTok. After opening your TikTok, you have to tap on right bottom your profile icon. When you click on this, here you will see an option drafts. You have to click on this at the top left. You have to click on this. When you click on this, here you have to select the video which you want to download in your gallery. After that, you have to click on this arrow button at the right bottom. Here you can see you have to click on this arrow. When you click on this arrow, here you have to scroll down a bit and here you will see an option save. You have to click on this. Now here you can see this video is downloaded to my mobile phone gallery. In this way you can download your draft video from TikTok to your mobile phone gallery. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next interesting video.